my God, guys, look who's here. Peggy Tjin, all the way from New York, Manhattan. And I heard she will be judging tonight, so let's ask her a few questions. Hi, Peggy, how are you?
Yeah, how are you? Good to see you.
Yeah, me too. I'm so surprised to have you here. So, you look gorgeous as usual, but I'm just curious to know what she's wearing.
I'm wearing Versace.
Wow, that is a gorgeous dress. Oh my God, look at it. And your jewelry?
Oh, my jeweler is Harry Winston.
Wow, and you're carrying such a cute little bag. What is that?
Oh, this is Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, we all can see it. It's so pretty. So you will be having a tough choice, a tough decision making tonight, I guess, don't you?
I think so too because most of the ladies are very stunning. I have a top three, three of my favorites, but we'll see. It's gonna be tough, but I'm very confident that we will have a beautiful, very confident woman, a young woman that's gonna win and represent the country as a tropical beauty today.
Is this your first time judging in this tropical beauty pageant?
Absolutely, yes. And it's a first time invitation. I'm very happy to be here and doing it. As a lot of years as a model, I traveled the world, but now I'm on the other side. Now I'm judging actually the young models becoming misses. So it's an honor. I feel very privileged to do that.
So you're looking so stunning, but what's the secret behind it?
Well, it's actually eating very healthy, using a lot of very healthy creams on your face, but exercising and, a lot of happiness keeps you very young.
You hear it all from the gorgeous Peggy. Now, we wish you a very pleasant evening tonight and all the best.
And you too. Enjoy your evening and thank you for having me.
Thank you very much, Peggy.